So, good day everyone. We are the Group 1 and along with me is Agent Cadet Arellano John Marc, Agent Cadet Bathan Jonathan Hadley, Agent Cadet Bugais John Haniel, Agent Cadet Dionaldo Joseph, Agent Cadet Camillo Adrian Mhar, and yours truly, Agent Cadet Baritua Joash. And today we are going to execute monitoring of electric generation plant here on Kongsberg Engine Simulator. And before we proceed with our simulation, we are going to discuss first what is the electric generation plant. So as the name suggests, the generation plant generates and furnishes power on board to run certain machineries that requires power in order to run or that uses electric to run. And for this one, since this is a very vital on board, the watch keeping ship is also vital in maintaining the operation of this generation plant. So without further ado, I'll give the floor to Engine Cadet Adrian or Camillo to fully execute the electric generating plant simulation.
Thank you, Mr. Baritua. So, let me share my screen first. Okay. So, before we start, we need to press F1.
You will have 10 minutes to fulfill the assessment.
So, let's go to diesel generator 1. Check our system here. Discharge valve closed, filter open. Okay. Let's go to DG2. So, we need to turn this close and this valve open and our makeup valve open to fill our sump here. Let's go to the starting air system. We should open this supply valve, air supply valve towards our diesel generator 2. Let's go back to our DG2. And we open this valve here from our DO service tanks here. And we need to turn on the preheater and set it to auto. So after that, we close this makeup valve because if we don't, there will be a high level alarm here in our lobe oil sump level. Okay, so let's turn it off. Then pump control in automatic. So after that, let's go to electric power plant. Okay. Then emergency bus bars, and we need to put this in. Okay. Then back to our diesel generator 2. Seawater system. You can see that auxiliary pump is only the ones running, so we need to turn this on. We can turn off the auxiliary pump and put both into remote. Let's go back to DG2 and we can start the engine. Seawater system. Turn this on. Okay. So we have started the engine. We can put the engine after starting, we can put it on remote. Then we need to synchronize it. So let's go to electric power plant. Connect the voltage control here on and DG2 in semi-auto sync. Then connect. So our running diesel generator 2 here should connect to the main bus bar. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's go to diesel generator 1. Let's check the parameters. So our discharge valve, it should be closed. Acknowledge the alarm. Okay. Open our makeup valve here. So we can get rid of the low level alarm in our sump. Tap up a little bit of lube oil. Then afterwards, we can close this one. Okay, so just silence the alarm. So check the diesel generator 2. It's good. So we'll go to the panel directory, to the generator control. Okay, just acknowledge the alarm. Generator control. So our diesel generator 1 is in priority number 1, so we'll put our diesel generator 2 into priority number 2 and click auto. So after that, we'll go to the pump control, and all of our running pumps here, we need to put this into auto. Okay, Tosi water, FO, supply, camshaft, main lube oil. Okay, so after putting every running pump into auto, now we will just monitor our diesel generator 1 and diesel generator 2. Okay, diesel generator 1. So our discharge valve here is closed, our filter open, so we should keep in mind that our discharge valve here should always be closed because it will drain the lube oil here in our sump and it will cause a low level alarm here. We have power generated. Okay, our valves from the service tanks are open. Okay, so diesel generator 2, our system is running good. So we will just monitor for some errors or alarms, and we will keep our system in good condition. So the starting air system, our supply valve is open. Okay, so there is an alarm. So just acknowledge the alarm. Our diesel generator 2 filters. Okay, so there is a high differential pressure here. You can see our pressure rising here. So we need to change over the valves. So we open this 2 and close this 1. Okay, so after that our system should operate normally. So as you can see, our system is running good. We still have 4 minutes. Okay, so we will spend that 4 minutes in maintaining our system. Okay, our seawater system, our seawater pumps are running. Both pump here are on remote. Okay, our discharge valve is closed, filter open. We have power generated here. Our lube oil pump here is running. We have an adequate amount of lube oil in our sump. Okay. Our diesel generator 2. Our valves here from our DO service tanks are open. We have power generated here. Our discharge valve is closed. Filter open right here. Our LO pump here is running. Okay. And we have a normal level of lube oil in our sump right here. Okay, let's go to electric power plant. Both our diesel generator 1 and diesel generator 2 are connected to the main bus bar right here. Okay. To our generator control, both of the diesel generator 1 and 2 are in auto. To pump control. So all our running pumps here are set into auto. So our system is running good. So we still have 2 minutes left. So we will use this the remaining time in maintaining the normal operation of our system right here. If there are any malfunctions or if there are any alarms that will come, then we will troubleshoot. Okay. So our system is still good. We will just execute watchkeeping.
Your 10 minutes has been consumed. Stop
So we
assessment.
have fully consumed our 10 minutes. And now we can exit our simulator. So we can now press F3 and click yes.
So to sum up, engine watchkeeping duty is an integral duty of marine engineers on board, as this will monitor the safe and efficient operations of a certain machineries, and in this case, it is the electric generating plant. It is important that we should be cognizant with the parameters such as pressure, temperature, levels, amperage, voltages, as this will be imperative to know that there is something wrong with the plant or systems with, to avoid major problems from coming. So let me end this with an advice that we should study well in our theoretical days, so that as we go on board we can easily identify the risk of the machines. So that would be all.
So I think that would be all for our monitoring of electric generation plant here on Kongsberg Simulator. So thank you everyone. God bless and have a good day.